times have you bought a neutral palette only to find yourself using one shade because the other colors just didn't deliver? You're not alone. Hey beauty, Ebony Fox here, founder and CEO of God-Given Features. Look, I've spent tons of money and time on makeup palettes that didn't complement my skin tone, aren't true to color, and are cheap quality. I am so excited to introduce you to our newest collection, the Earth Tone Sparkle Palette. The Earth Tone Sparkle Palette can be worn several different ways to accentuate your gorgeous eyes, luscious lips, or to add shimmer to all beautiful skin tones. Allow me to quickly show you how to make your God-given features pop using the Earth Tone Sparkle Palette. First, I'll be using our 24-hour bonding gel. This works as a primer to set and intensify all sparkle colors, so you get the best, most vibrant, long-lasting results. It takes about 30 seconds for a coat to dry, but feel free to add extra coats if needed. And the awesome thing about this gel is that you can put it on bare skin or on top of makeup, like eyeshadow, concealer, foundation, or lipstick. Unlike any other makeup brand, God-Given Features is used to accessorize what you've already been given rather than covering it up. As it dries clear, let me show you what you get in our Earth Tone Sparkle Palette. Earth Tone gives you 4 neutral shades: stone, sand, clay, and soil that work on all skin tones. The compact packaging makes it easy for you to see, store, and travel with your sparkle colors. All these colors are hot, but today I want to rock one of my favorites, and it's so gorgeous, clay. Every time I wear this color, I get stopped multiple times, and I guarantee so will you. It's sad that many women shy away from sparkly makeup because it seems too hard to apply, too bold, or their fear of looking like a clown. When the truth is, you just haven't tried the right shades. Our custom sparkle colors have been tested and proven to complement the deepest to lightest skin tones. I'm going to apply clay with a flat makeup brush today, but feel free to use whatever makeup tool that works for you. The key to getting the best sparkle application every time is using the DTP method. What is the DTP method? Dip, tap, pat. Let me show you. First, generously dip your brush into the sparkle color. Then, lightly tap away excess product to avoid messy application. Finally, gently pat sparkle into your desired feature. Gentle taps prevent sparkle from falling on parts of your face you don't want it. I'm gently pressing for maximum coverage and to ensure that it bonds with the 24-hour bonding gel. Repeat the DTP method until you're satisfied with your look. Leave your makeup just like this, or you have the option to finish with your choice of liquid liner, eyeliner, or mascara. And just like that, you're ready to go. Now, snap a selfie and hashtag loving my God-Given Features. If you're serious about taking your glam routine to the highest level, then this exclusive offer is perfect for you. Normally, our Earth Tone Sparkle Palette is priced at $29.99, and our 24-hour bonding gel sells for $12.99. But today, you deserve more. I want to offer you our Set It and Go bundle. This bundle gives you the God-Given Features Earth Tone Sparkle Palette and our 24-hour bonding gel. Plus, I'm gonna throw in a super cute carrying bag just for you. So head on over to www.godgivenfeatures.com and get your Set It and Go bundle today. I'll leave our website link in the description box right below this video. We're selling out fast and I don't want you to miss out. Until next time, remember, beauty starts with your God-Given Features. We simply take joy in helping you accessorize them.
Real talk.